Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your template in Squarespace. If you've ever felt that your website needs a fresh look, or maybe you just want to adjust the vibe with a new theme, then this tutorial is absolutely for you. By the end, you're going to know not just how to swap out your template, but also how to tweak styles like fonts, colors, and buttons so your site really reflects your unique personality or your brand. Let's get started. So here we are inside my current template on Squarespace. Maybe this layout has been working for you for a while, but now you're ready to try something new. The first thing you'll need to do is head down to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your account profile there. Just a simple click on that profile button, and you'll open up a panel showing your other templates or websites linked to this account. If you have more than one site, they should all show up here, making it easy to jump between them. Now, to actually change your template theme, you want to select the website you're considering updating. Just give it a click. It's kind of like picking out a book from a shelf. Once you click, you step inside that site's backend, and you'll see the Edit Site option pop up. Go ahead and click Edit Site. This takes you into Squarespace's editing mode, where the real magic happens. If you're doing this for the first time, don't worry if the page takes a moment to load. From here, you'll want to find Styles. This is typically nestled in your site's left-hand sidebar. Styles is essentially your wardrobe for your website. It's where you try on different themes until one feels just right. In this section, you can scroll through a list of available themes. Don't rush. Take your time and preview a few designs. Each theme has its own feel, whether it's modern and minimal or bold and colorful. Choosing the right one is a bit like decorating a room. You want it to set the tone for everything your visitors experience. Once you've picked a new theme, it's time to make it yours by personalizing the details. You can easily switch up the fonts. Think about what matches your site's personality, whether that's classic serif fonts for a professional look or something more playful if your brand is creative. Changing the colors is next. Here you can update your background, your text, or accent colors. Mixing and matching colors is a good way to instantly make your website feel fresh and unique. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes what looks great in the preview might not be quite right, and that's totally fine. Just keep adjusting until it matches your vision. Then, customize your buttons. Buttons are often overlooked, but they're actually super important. They guide your visitors to take actions, whether it's making a purchase, signing up, or just exploring more pages. So make sure they stand out and fit with your overall design. And here's a reassuring note. If you find that none of your current templates or themes really do the trick, Squarespace lets you create a completely new site from scratch. So you're never stuck with something you don't love. The whole idea is to empower you to be creative and flexible. All right, that's the process for changing your template in Squarespace and giving your website a completely new look. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please remember to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions at all or if you hit any snags, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you troubleshoot. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Squarespace tutorials and web design tips. Thanks so much for watching.